Good morning. Uh, Tell us your name and tell us about your project, please.
All right, my name is Arthur Eddington, and I'm one of those people who helped Einstein in his work over the general theory of relativity through the observations that I did on the solar eclipse that happened in 1919.
So what were you guys trying to find?
We were trying to do is that Einstein disagreed that Newton's law of the universe, and that led him to work and come up with the general theory of relativity. The scientists and the whole world faced a big problem of proving which theory is the most right one, since both came up with almost the same explanation of many observations, like the gravity and the bending light. Therefore, we used Frank Dyson's idea of proving which theory has the most accurate predictions, and that happened through our observation on the solar eclipse that happened on May 29, 1919.
So where did the project or experiment occur?
We did our observations in many places, watching the solar eclipse and taking pictures of the stars around it. For example, in May 1st, in May, I went to the remote island of Principe in the Gulf of Guinea of the west coast of Africa to measure the stars' positions during the eclipse as viewed through the sun's gravitational lens. I also sent a group of astronomers to take measurements from Sobral, Brazil, in case the eclipse was blocked by clouds over Principe.
So can you tell me what other significant events were happening around the world at this time?
Around that time, events happened a lot, and one of those events is that on May 19, Mustafa Kemal lands at Samsun on the Black Sea coast, beginning the Turkish War of Independence.
Okay, tell me who else was involved in this project, please.
As I mentioned before, these findings have been done by many groups of scientists and astronomers that I sent in different places to observe the solar eclipse.
Okay, what was your role in the project?
The role of my project is that during a total solar eclipse, I performed the first experimental test of Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity.
And what impact did your project have on the physics community?
The findings made Einstein a celebrity overnight and precipitated the eventual victory of general relativity over classical Newton's physics.
So can you tell me what your project impact these days?
Of course, the significance of my observation led to the usage of the general theory of relativity over proving it. For example, physicists now use gravitational lenses to try to understand dark matter and the expansion of the universe.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.